students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn maths. Come on students, let us move to the chapter. Hello children, welcome to Virtual Training Center Dadav. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we are going to learn maths of standard 4 and the topic is number work part 2. Students, we have completed about the number work part 1 in last lecture. We studied about 3-digit numbers and 4-digit numbers. How to read them, how to write them in words and how to write them in figures. Now in the last lecture we introduced about the 5-digit numbers. Right? Today we are going to learn about 5-digit numbers in detail, and before that we will take the quick recap of the last lecture. Write numbers in proper columns and write them in words. Yes students, one column is there here, table is there. Now the number given, we have to write them in proper column, then we have to write it in words. Okay, we'll start. 4 in the units place, 8 in the tens place, 7 in the hundreds place, 6 in thousands place and 3 in 10,000s place. Isn't it? Now, how to write it in words? Yes students, here what we do, here thousands and 10,000s place we take together while writing in words or while reading. That is 36,784. Okay, got this? I will write in the words. That is 36,784. Okay, we will move to the second one. Here also we will write first in the place values. That is 6 in the units place, 7 in tens place, 9 in hundreds place, 0 in thousands place and 8 in 10,000s place. Okay, again here also we take together that 10,000s place and thousands place, because we want to write this in words. That is nothing but 80,976. Got this children? Okay, if you are thorough with this, we will move to the next step. Read the numbers and write them in words. See, two numbers are given. We must have to read them first and we have to write them in words. See, comma is there after hundreds place, then means it is thousands place. 71 is in thousands place. So, the answer is 71,962. Okay, now second one. After 98, comma is there, make a group of 98. And here you know this side, right hand side, that is 607 is there. So that you know here 98,607. See, 0 is in the tens place, so only we have to take a 7. Okay? Understood? Now the next thing is, again number is there. We will write the numbers according to the places. See here 2 in the units place, this you know now. 8 in tens place, 5 in hundreds place, 0 in thousands place and 3 in 10,000s place. Now in words, you know 30,582. Okay, one more thing we will see here. Now dear students, here 30,582 again I have written. Now equal to, according to the places I will write the digits. Now 3 in 10,000's place, so I will write 3 10,000. Got this? Plus 0 in thousands place, so I will write 0,000. Plus 5 in hundreds place, so I will write 5h. 8 is in tens place, I will write 8t. T means tens. Plus 2 in units place, so I will write 2u. Got this? The next step we will do, that is, again I will write the number. Now here I will change into the figures. Same thing, whatever written in the alphabets, I will change it to figures. 3 10,000 is nothing but 30,000. Got this? Plus 0,000 means 0 0 0. 1 0 also you can give. 3 zeros you can give. Okay? Then plus 500. I will write 500. Okay? Plus 8 tens means 80. Plus 2 units means 2 into 1, that is 2. Okay, dear students, same I have written in expanded form. What I have written? 30,582. Same number I have written in the different form. In the long extended form. That is called as expanded form of a number. See, same number we can write in 5 digits. That number only I have written in the stretched form. That is called as expanded form of a number. Got this, children? Okay, we'll move further. See here, write the numbers in their expanded form. Just we did that one. Then also, first I will tell you some more about this. 0 is in the units place, 9 in the tens place, second 9 is in hundreds place, 5 in thousands place, and 4 in 10,000s place. You know that, isn't it? Now, one shortcut method is there to write the expanded form of the given number. See, first number is 4. Okay. After 4, how many digits are there? 4 are there. So, we will write 4 and 4 zeros. Got this? Because after 4, 4 places are there to the right. Means 4 0. Okay. Plus, I will put here. Now, 5 we are going to take. Second number is 5. After 5, how many digits are there? 3. So, after 5, I will put 3 zeros. Got this? Again, plus I will write. Then the number 9 we have to choose. Okay, after 9, how many digits are there or places? Only 2. So, we will write 9 and 2 zeros. Now, again plus, and another 9 is there in the tens place. After that 9, how many digits are there or how many places are there? Only one place is there. So, I will write 9 and 1 0. And last 0 is there. Whatever is there, that we have to write that number. If 0 is there, then we will write 0. In the second sum, it is 9 is there, then we will write 9 in the last, that is unit column. Okay. Now see, this is the expanded form of a 45,990. Now, I hope that you understood this thing, and so I am writing here directly for the second one, that is 60,000 plus 8,000 plus 800 plus 90 plus 9. Okay. Now, one more thing we will see about the numbers. Now, 8,445 is given. Now see here, I will write like this, and we will see first the places. Okay, these places we have seen now. Now we will write the place values of each number. We will start with the unit place. Okay, unit place 5 is there, means as it is. 5 is the place value of 5. Now in the tens place 4 is there, so the place value of 4 is 40. Like this you have to write. And what is the place value of 4 in the hundreds place? That is 400. What is the place value of 8 in thousands place? 8 into 1000, that is nothing but 8000. Okay students, we will add all these numbers. So what we got in the units place 5, 4 plus 0 is 4, 4 plus 0 is 4 and 8. Same number we got. Now you saw this, the expanded form gives the same number. See here, the expanded form of number is, means in reverse we did. We first expanded the number and we got the small short number, this. Okay, this is the vice versa of the expanded form. Okay, write the number from its expanded form. See, this is the expanded form. The number is stretched and it is given. We have to write the number. Okay, see this, 300. 9 is in tens place, 8 in units place. Very easy. It is nothing but 398. A little more bigger. 7000 plus 00 means in hundreds place 0 will be there. Okay. 60 plus 4. So 7064. Next one is 5000 plus 700 plus 0 means tens place also 0, units place also 0. Very easy sum, that is 5700. Got this students? Okay, now know this. See, this is the upper row is about the Devanagari numerals. Devanagari numerals, here we can say Marathi numerals also here. And the second row shows that international numerals, that is English numerals, whatever you are using. I think in Marathi language you have learnt about the Devanagari numerals, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, isn't it? Okay, we'll see. In Marathi we say Shunya, international numbers, that is 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9. Okay, I hope that you know this all. Correct? Okay, same thing. Some sums are there or fill in the blanks is there. We will try to do that one. Okay. Okay, fill in the blanks in the table below. See, this is given in Marathi or Devanagari, and international numeral this one is given, and number in words it is given. Now we have to fill the blanks. Now dear students, see the first row, that is, you know that 3, 2, 4 means 324. Okay, if you don't know the Marathi numerals, then please practice that one. Okay, because we live in Maharashtra, we must know the Marathi language also and Marathi numbers also. Okay, now the second row, 148, very easy. Now we will write in Devanagari 148. Okay, and in number in words 148. Please practice this. Now here numbers are given. We have to write the smaller number and the bigger number. Very easy. This is for fun. Given numbers. Yes, these two numbers are given. Now which is the smaller number? Yes, very good dear students. 1270 is the smaller and the second one is bigger number. Correct? Easy now it is. Second one 6589 and 5689. See, only the first two numbers are interchanged. Don't be confused. Here whatever the first number 5000 is less than 6000. So the second number is a smaller number and the first number is bigger number. Here 8688 and 7499. Again here what is there? 8000 is bigger and 7000 is smaller one. You always first observe the first number, okay, from the left hand side, and easily you can bifurcate which is the smaller number and which is the bigger number. If you know this thoroughly, then we will move to the symbols. See this. Here for your reference, this is greater than. This symbol tells us that it is less than. This also you will do easily. Only practice I am taking. Here 33,302 and the next second number is 32,000. Of course, greater than. Correct? Now second one is 80,177. Here 88,000. Then the first number is less than. Correct? Now the third one is 74,705. Here 47,705. Again the first two digits are interchanged. Of course 74 is bigger one. Last one 74,705 and 77,705. Yes, 74 is less than 77. Isn't it? Here given numbers. Ascending order, descending order. This is the last one. Yes, students, you are thorough with the bigger, smaller numbers, then you can easily do this one. Yes, three numbers are given. Yes, students, you know that what is the meaning of ascending order? Okay, then also here arrow is there. See, it is going up. Means from smaller number to bigger number we have to choose. Okay, see here. Smaller number is 217, then 270 comes, then 271. Okay, same in opposite direction. That is nothing but descending order. First we have to choose the bigger number, then a little smaller, then smallest number. So 271, 270, 270. If you identify properly about the number, then it is very easy to write in ascending and descending order. See the second one, 200, same thing will come because 200, 400, 500. Ascending order, and in reverse position, that is in descending order. Here, again here 888, 788, 688. Ascending, very easy to write. 688, 788, 888. Same in the opposite direction, that is 888, 788 and 688. For these children. Yes, thank you students for being with me. Okay, please practice the sums like this, which is in your page number 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, please practice. If you have any difficulty, then take your brother, sister or mother's help and do that. Okay, take care, stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the new updated videos.